Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So we have 16 to the power of 6 minus 1. So we need to write this into the simplified form without using the calculator. So remember, one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. Okay, so first we need to focus on the base of this term. So its base is 16, and you know that 16 equals to 2 to the power of 4. So we write this 16 equals to 2 to the power of 4. So this will be written as 2 to the power of 4, and its exponent is 6 minus 1. So further in the next step we have this is 4 times of 6, and we write it as 4 times of 6 minus 1. Here we apply this exponent law. If you have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. Okay, so according to this law, we write these terms here. So now we multiply 4 times of 6. It will be written as 24 minus 1. So now here we need to again focus on the exponent of this term. So the exponent of this term is 24, and we again break this 24 and we write it as 2 to the power of 20 plus 4 minus 1. Here we apply this exponent law. If you have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Okay, so here according to this rule we can break this exponent, and we write it as 2 to the power of 20, and it is multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. So further you see here we again write this 2 to the power of 20 as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 10, and we write this 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16 minus 1. So now in the next step you see here we use this exponent rule. You have a to the power of m multiplied by n. We write it as a to the power of m to the power of n. So according to this rule, we rewrite this expression as 2 to the power of 10 and its whole square, and it is multiplied by 16 minus 1. Okay, so further our next target is to find the value of 2 to the power of 10. So now in order to find the value of this 2 to the power of 10, we need to use this nice trick. So you know that if you have 2 to the power of 1, it is equals to 2. If you have 2 to the power of 2, it is equals to 4. If you have 2 to the power of 3, it is equals to 8. If you have 2 to the power of 4, it is equals to 16. Here you focus in the right hand side, and you see here in order to find the next term, we need to multiply the previous term by 2. So here you have 2 times of 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So in order to find the value of 2 to the power of 5, it will become 32, because 16 times of 2 is 32. And similarly 2 to the power of 6 is, you multiply 32 by 2, it will becomes 64. And similarly 2 to the power of 7 equals to 128. 2 to the power of 8 equals to 256. 2 to the power of 9 is equals to 512, and 2 to the power of 10 equals to 1024. Okay, so in this way you easily find the value of 2 to the power of 10. Okay, so now we need to replace this 2 to the power of 10 equals to 1024 and its whole square, and it is multiplied by 16 and also minus 1. So now in the next step we need to break this term, and we write this 1024 as 1000 and plus 24 and its whole square, and it is multiplied by 16 minus 1. So now in the next step we have, this is 1000 and plus 24, and here we use this nice algebraic formula. So if we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So according to this nice law, we just expand the above terms here. So this is our a and this is our b. So according to this formula, we write our above expression as 1000 plus 24, so it will be written as 1000 square plus 24 square plus 2 times of 1000 multiplied by 24, and at the last we will multiply this whole term by 16 and minus 1. Okay, we write these two terms here. So now in order to find the square of this 1000, it will be written as, here you take the square of 1, it is 1, and the square of these three zeros means that you double these three zeros, so it will becomes 6 zeros. And here you easily find the square of 24 by using the traditional method of multiplication. So we find the square of 24 equals to 576 plus we need to multiply these three terms, and you will get 2 times of 1000 is 2000. 2000 times of 24 becomes here 48,000. So these are the trivial multiplication in which you can learn these method in your primary classes, and I hope so you will do this type of multiplication by yourself. So after that you have this is multiplied by 16 and minus 1. Okay, we write all these terms complete here. So now after this step, here first we need to add these three values, so that now we add these three values in our traditional method of addition. So we write these 6 terms as, and after that first we write these values. So this is 8 and 4, and these are multiplied added by 5, 7 and 6. Okay, so further we add these values, and when you sum up these values, it is 6, this will be 7, this will be 5, this is 8, 4, 0 and 1. Okay, so this is the simple addition which we make here. And now in the next step we need to multiply this term by 16. Okay, so here first we multiply this whole term by 16, then you will get 6 6 are 36. We write 6 and carry 3, or we have 7 times of 6 becomes 42, and 42 plus 3 becomes here 7 6 are 42 plus 3 45. We write 5 and carry 4. 6 5s are 30 plus 4 34. We write 4 and carry 3. 6 8s are 42, and for 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 3 51. We write 1 and carry 5. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 5 will be written as 29, and 6 1s are 6. So here we multiply 1 on all of these terms, it will be written as 6 7 5 8 4 0 and 1. So now we add all these values, and it will be written as 6 6 plus 5 11. We write 1 and carry 1. So 6 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 32. 32 we write 2 and carry 3, and 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 becomes here 9. So here we have mistake, this is our 1, because 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12. We write 2 carry 1. 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. 9 plus 8 17. We write 7 and carry 1. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. This is 6 and 1. So this is the multiplication by 16, and after at the last we need to subtract it by minus 1. So when you subtract it by minus 1, you will get here 5 1 2 triple 7 6 and 1. Okay, so finally we have the final form of the final simplified form of the given algebraic expression is 16 to the power 16 minus 1 equals to 1 6 triple 7 2 1 5. This is the our final answer of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.